All right, so if your child just happens to, again, come see us and we get some sort of a diagnosis or some sort of, etiology that they're having problems with their sleep, we focus on a lot of different ways to help them out. And it could be anything from something such as an appliance. And again, with our children, we have all sorts of different types of appliances. Could be anything from a little mouth guard thing that just, again, we have different sizes for different kids, but this is all about trying to develop and help your child grow to their potential. And that's really what most of our kind of ideology comes behind, is that for some reason they just haven't been able to grow their genetic potential, and that structural problem really can lead to some of these long-term downstream problems that we see. And so again, it may be something like this, where we have these different appliances that we use as they go. These are called the guide system. We work with a company named Vivos that has wonderful appliances and wonderful help for us to help your child the best that we can. And it can go anything from, as you can see, little tiny ones. This is for little guys like 3 to 5, 6-year-old possibly. These sizes go up to different ones as they grow. And again, it depends on tooth size and age group and what kind of teeth they have. Is it primary teeth or permanent teeth? We have different ways to kind of help them all along the pathway. Other things that we have mostly for the older kids, once they have permanent teeth in place, we have an appliance that's actually FDA cleared for sleep apnea from mild, moderate to severe for pediatric use. I think it's the only one that's out there that has the FDA clearance. Vivos has been really good about that. They've got great evidence to support what they do, and so they help us along the way. So again, if an appliance is something that you're interested in, we have options for that. Okay, but not just appliance therapy. We help your child in any way that we can, and so we start with kind of giving you some information. We have some great reference tools here. This book, Breath, is all about nasal breathing. Your nose is meant to breathe to where the air goes in your face and into your body. Everything good with breathing goes through your nose. The mouth, I call it, is an accessory organ. It's a hole where air goes in. That's about all it does. Okay? This book, Gasp, is a wonderful reference, again, just to kind of help you. It's very basic from the patient standpoint. It's wonderful for that, to kind of give you an idea of what's happening with your child. It goes into adults as well, but it kind of gives some good explanations as to what's happening. So again, sticking with the nose, again, we're going to do what we can just to try to help you out. Anything from types of nasal sprays. This one's just a saline solution just so you can help clear the nasal passages. We have a whole sheet of paperwork that can talk about how do you clear your nose. How do we help you with that? This right here, I'll help Nicole focus in on this. This is a YouTube site from Dr. Patrick McCowan. He's an Airway, probably world-renowned specialist in breathing and Airway. We'll give you more reference for that. We can probably link it in the video. That's a YouTube videos that he's created to help. Everything's free. We got free on how to breathe better. And again, he's got a whole bunch of different types of videos in there. You can look through those and kind of find out what's good for you. Other things that we do, people hear about lip taping. Lip taping is wonderful. I mean, if you can actually do it, and again, there's times when you can't, but if you can, it actually helps you breathe through your nose and actually position your tongue and your facial structures in the right arrangement. There's a bunch of different types out there. And again, we'll talk about everything. We have examples of all sorts of things. We'll talk about our favorites. Again, it's very personal as to what you can do, but it could be anything from these kind of things to literally just paper tape, like 3M or any kind of product like that you're comfortable with wearing. It doesn't have to totally cover your mouth. It can literally just cover like a little strip, and it helps out. It's wonderful what they do. Again, other things that we have, and we'll talk about, mostly for the bigger kids and adults, we have some little things you can insert into your nose, little cones or something that'll open things up and spread open the nose if that's where the problem is. Breathe Right strips do the same type of thing as these. And again, these are just examples of what we have. So again, we're going to do what we can just to try to help you and your children get to a big, wonderful place in life and grow their potential and just help them have a wonderful life. And that's really our goals here, is just trying to help you out as best we can. Identifying problems and what can we do to help you on the path, whichever you choose to live a better life. All right. So if you think you have anything if you found this interesting and there's something that you think we can help you with, please give us a call or stop by and we'll try to help you out. Thank you so much.